Hello, how are you? My name is Aisha, and today I'd like to speak to you guys about the Constitution and your rights as an American. So, the Constitution actually has 27 amendments, and the first 10 are known as the Bill of Rights. I will start with this website, and I'm going to pop over to another website after this to actually give you a more simplified list of the amendments. So, here we go. The United States Constitution is often referred to as a living document and that grows and changes as society moves forward. And no matter a person's views on constitutional interpretation, there's no doubt that amendments to the Constitution have changed the course of the American legal system. The first 10 amendments became known as the Bill of Rights, which includes many of the freedoms we associate so closely with the United States, such as freedom of religion, freedom of speech, and freedom of the press. These constitutional rights protect the lives of individuals from interference by the government. So they're supposed to protect us as individuals from interference with the government. We know they have loopholes, but that's why everyone's always talking about trust the government, trust the system, and all this crap that doesn't usually work for everybody. So I'm actually going to pop over to this other website that will simplify it, make it fast and easy. So, Amendment 1. Freedom of speech, press, religion, assembly, and petition. So you have the right to petition your grievances to your government. You have the right to freedom of speech. The press actually has the right to ask questions to the president, even if they don't like it. The press has the right to freedom of speech as well, whether we like it or not. And we also have the freedom to protest in the streets, whether the cops like it or not. Amendment 2, right to bear arms. 3, citizens do not have to house soldiers. So even in times of war, you actually don't have to let the soldiers in and stay at your house, regardless to if they have guns or not. They're not supposed to do that. It's against the law. 4, no unreasonable search or arrest. So whether the cops like it or not, they're actually not supposed to just stop you and search you unless they have probable cause. 5, no double jeopardy or no witness against yourself. I think that means you can't be charged twice. Amendment 6, rights of accused in criminal cases. So even if you are a criminal, even if you are a scumbag, you have the right to see your day in court. The cops should not be killing you, shooting you in the back 5 to 17 times, choking you out. What they should be doing is their job, which is to arrest you in the most calmest way possible, take you to jail, and then you see your day in court. 7, trial by jury. 8, no excessive bail or cruel punishment. 9, people get rights not listed in Constitution. So you have rights. 10, any rights not given to federal government are given to the states and people. 11, individuals cannot sue a state in a federal court. 12, separate ballots for president and vice president. 13, the abolishment of slavery. But if you are quote unquote a criminal and you go to prison, you are actually thrust right back into slavery. 14, if you are born or naturalized in the U.S., then you are a citizen of the U.S. 15, you cannot prevent a person from voting because of race, color, or creed. 16, income tax. 17, popular election of U.S. senators. 18, prohibition, liquor. 19, women get the right to vote. 20, president takes office on January 20th instead of March 4th. 21, repeal of prohibition. 22, president can only serve 2 terms. 23, Washington, D.C. residents can vote for president. 24, anti-poll tax. 25, how president turns duties over to vice president due to illness. So if a president gets sick or dies, they give you the rules to what happens next. 26, 18 years old to get to vote. And 27, Congress cannot accept a pay raise until next term. So if you want to actually read the full Constitution for yourself and understand what some of these things mean, I will leave all of this in the description box for you to read for yourself. I appreciate you listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.